Hello guys, welcome to Ikra Technology. So today we will talk about break, continue and goto. So what is break statement? We use break statement in C sharp when we want to come out of a loop or if a certain condition is met. Then we want to break that loop, which means that the loop should not run after that. Whether its condition are true or false means the next one, but once the certain condition got true, so we do not want to run those loops after that. We go out of the loop and run the next code. Did you understand break statement? Break statement is basically used to exit the loop or to come out of it, to exit. Here is the basic structure of loop, like this is a basic structure of break statement. Here there is a while statement. While statement has an if condition inside it. We use break inside if condition to exit the loop. Here the condition is met. Break the loop here. If you use break, then you will go out of the while loop. Okay. Then here the scenario will come here. We have its flow chart properly of break statement, then its statement is here. If you see the statement here, so here Windows, Samsung, Apple, Dell, Asus. So for example, we have given statements related to a laptop. So here we have taken the statement in Visual Studio. Okay, so if you see here, you understand that you go to any laptop shop to purchase a laptop. Then what do you do? The shopkeeper tells about various types of laptops, means like Windows laptop, Samsung's laptop, Dell, but you want to buy an Apple laptop. So what do you do? As soon as he says that we have an Apple laptop, then you say that yes, I want the laptop of Apple company. Tell us the various models of this company, which means whatever laptop are there of Apple company. Tell us about all the generations of Apple laptops. So we break it there. We don't let him speak further values, and we don't let him speak further brands. If we get that what we want directly, then we break it. So if you see here, we have taken a string array here as a laptop in which we are providing the values of Windows, Samsung, Apple, Dell, Asus. Then the for each loop, we are using it for iteration. Then we have took laptop from laptops. If this laptop equals Apple, then what will we do? Yes, we want an Apple company laptop will get printed. Then we are breaking this loop, okay? We are putting a break in for each loop inside if condition. So that if we get what we want, then we can exit. So here, if we start Windows arrow, look what is happening here. What is there in it now? It is window. What is the condition here? It is false. So what will we do now? We will do F10. See, it will not go inside. It doesn't go in. Now we will check it again. Now what is the condition? See, now the condition is Apple laptop equals to Apple. Okay. It is still false. Wait. So F10 here, see what is in the laptop? Samsung is in the laptop as well. Okay. So the condition became false. Laptop equals to Apple. The condition became false. Let us do F10 here again. Now what is the condition? Now laptop here is Apple. And see the condition here. It became true. Laptop double equals to Apple. The condition has become true. Now it will go inside. I do F10. It went inside. Yes, we want an Apple company laptop will be printed. We want an Apple company laptop. Now from here, I do F10. It got break. See, it did not get written in the for each loop. It ended here. The statement itself ended. Did you understand? What does break do? When our condition in the loop is met, then we can exit that loop. Okay. Next comes our continue statement. Now look at the continue statement. Suppose that you have a shop of laptops. You are going to the wholesale to purchase, then he will also have the various types of laptop. Windows, Samsung, Apple, Dell, Asus. Okay. he will also have various types of laptop. So when you go to the purchase, you buy the one that is selling good, right? So what will we do here? We will buy the one that is selling good. Here we have taken for each loop, and here we are using the if and else condition, and here laptop will be equals to the apple. So we don't want it, okay? Like now the name of those four or five types of laptop are Windows, Samsung, Apple, Dell, Asus, okay? Now if you don't want Apple, then we will tell him that we don't want the laptop of Apple company, okay? And keep telling about other companies, right? So here we are using for each loop like above, but here there is also the else condition. Here laptop is equal to Apple. If it is Apple, then we will print we don't want an Apple company laptop, okay? Then we will continue, which means it will not proceed further. We are not telling it to give me the price of laptop, Windows company laptop like this. If you try it here we debug and start it. We have started it. Here window arrow has come here. Look here. We will do F10 here. Here the condition is not true. It has become false here. What is there in the laptop? There is a window in the laptop. So what will come here? What we don't want. Okay. We don't want Apple. So what will we do with it? It will come in else. See what will come here? Give me the price of window company laptop. Okay. The next we press F10 back. Then it's Samsung. So we want Samsung. We don't want Apple. Okay. Now look, Apple comes here. What will happen here? Apple comes. Here the condition has gone inside. We don't want an Apple company laptop. Now it will not print in else. Now it will continue directly. It has gone back to the for each on in. Then we again go on to string laptop. We will do F10 loop. It will come back. Give me the price of Dell company laptop. Then we press F10 back. When F10 will be complete, give me the price of Asus company laptop. Then if I do F10, then it will end because for each loop has 5 values. So it has printed 5 completely. Okay. So now here next comes our this was our continue statement. Okay. Then next comes our go to statement. What is go to statement? If you see the start go to statement, what happens sometimes we do not have to use for loop, means we do not have to use for loop at one place, right? So that the code should look proper. Okay. We do not have to use for loop. Okay. So what we do is we use go to statement. Okay. Go to is not used mostly, but when for loop is not used, there go to is used. Okay. Means where loops are not used for iteration, then go to is used. uh, what is happening here? Look, here there is a main method. Inside the main method, the int counter is 0. Then we took start here. Start and colon, okay? So this became one level. Here we are writing in the console right line. Now here if counter we have is less than 3, then plus the counter, okay? It will plus the counter. After adding we go to start, means it will throw it back here, means it will drop it back here. We will start and see here. We started here in the main method. We started in the main method. Let's do window like this. We may then we do F10 here. What is the int counter? Here is 0. Then start came. Here start came and we printed in the console right line. Current count is 0. Now it is being checked in the condition here. The condition is becoming true. Let's say the counter is 3. So now what will happen? It will go inside the condition is because true, then it will plus the counter. Now go to start means it is not for loop. So how will it do iteration again? We throw back it to start. Go to start means go to where start is. Okay. Now here again iteration will happen again. Look, now by doing the same thing, it will do it till 2, means because it is less than 3, right? Now it went to start. Now the counter became 3. Now here counter is not making the condition true. It is 3. It is not less than 3. Okay. So it will go out like current count is 0. Current count is 1. Current count 2. Current count 3. We run this loop without for loop. Did you understand? When we don't want to use the loop anywhere, then we use the goto statement. Okay. So these were our break condition and goto statement, and here you will see the proper explanation so that you can understand better. Whatever example we took, its explanation is here. Okay. There is proper chart for you to understand properly. Then next, what is the difference between break and continue here? What is the difference? Imagine you are playing a board game and you decide to quit the game in the middle. You stop playing and leave. Like you are playing a carom board. Now you did not want to play it, meaning your family members called you, so you left the game. Now imagine you are playing the same game. Now imagine you are playing a carom board, but this time when your turn comes, you skip your turn, give it to another person. You say that I don't want to play this turn, then continues like this. And when you leave and go away, then this is a break statement. Okay. Here there is goto. Its basic structure of goto is there. And here there is its chart as well. There is an example as well and its best explanation as well. Okay. And here you have to practice this task for your better understanding. So today we saw the break, continue and goto statement in C sharp. Thank you.